In this part, we are going to talk about the required, and in lesson 1, if you remember, we have created the createRandomZombie by entering a name. However, if the user keep calling this function, he will have an unlimited numbers of zombies in his army, and so everyone has unlimited zombies. And he said this is not fun, but actually I think this is very funny. So let's make this each player can only call the function once, so we have to make some limitations or conditions in order to create an initial zombie. So how can we make it so this function can only be called once? And so it introduced the required functions. So for example, if say hi to Vitalik, we can only say hi if the name is equal to Vitalik. So we are going to use require catcheck 256 and then encode name, which is compare whether this is equal. So if the input name is not equal to the Vitalik, it will return an error and it will not execute. So we are now going to put to the test, and we are going to modify the createZombie functions. So in the createZombie functions, we are going to use require, and we are going to check whether the owner zombie count is equal to 0. So we copy this and paste to here and type to equal symbol and check whether it's equal to 0, and then we check the answer. Now we can go to next chapter.